Step into the 2013 Toyota Tundra Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are premium sound system, climate control, driver airbag, AM/FM stereo, passenger airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, rear defrost, heated front seat, and universal garage door opener. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.